Hello and welcome to Python Essentials. Today we're diving into return values and statements, key elements that allow functions in Python to pass results to the caller. Let's get started. When we talk about return values, we're referring to the value that a function hands back to the code that called it. Python
def add x, y.
Return x plus y. Result equals add 3, 2 print result hash output, 5. Here, the add function returns the sum of x and y, which is then printed. A function can return any type of value, including numbers, strings, lists, or even other functions. Returning a string. Python def greet name. Return hello plus name. Returning a list. Python def get underscore even underscore numbers n. Return x for x in range n if x%2 equals 0. The return statement ends the function execution and specifies the value to be returned. Python
def max a, b.
If a greater than b. Return a. Else. Return b. If a function doesn't have a return statement, it returns none by default. This is useful for functions that perform an action but don't need to send back a result. Python def print underscore message. Print message. Result equals print underscore message hello, world. Print result hash output, none. Functions can have multiple return statements, but only one is executed based on the condition. It's a powerful way to control the flow of your function. Python def check underscore number n. If n greater than 0. Return positive. If n equals 0. Return 0. Else. Return negative. Understanding return statements and values is fundamental in Python programming. They control your function's output and enable complex and dynamic behaviors. Keep practicing and experimenting with different return types and statements. Thank you for joining us today. Keep coding and exploring. For more Python tips and tricks, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Happy coding!